Hi Gusti.
Hi bro.
Regarding buying a new machine, it's better if we just buy a new one from the shop. Because if we buy it new, we can use it for a long time.
However, we're only here for 1 year. We won't be here long, so it's best if we buy a used one, but it worse and cheaper.
It's okay. What do you think about this? So I wonder where we went to buy a washing machine.
What if we just buy it from an online shop? It's cheaper and so many discounts.
It's better not to order online because we're afraid well this item but it won't match what's in the picture.
Okay, let's just look at the nearest used shop here.
That's fine. Let's just go straight away.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.